Here, and I'm going to show you how you can build a base in the ground, and it will be essentially unraidable and most likely unfindable. So all you have to do is place down a node near a wall that is at a 90-degree angle. We need some lights in here. I'm just gonna pop in some lights so you guys can see. So you're going to need to find a wall that's at a 90-degree angle, going straight up. Then what you're going to want to do is go to interactive and then go to door of vault, and then just make sure that you have it. You want the side that has all of these little pineapple shaped pieces here to be to the outside. So all you have to do is, I have this one set up with a floor, and all you have to do is walk into it and get as tight to the mountain as you can, and then close the door and you get pushed into the wall. Now how you get out is actually very, very easy. All you have to do is simply walk out of the barrier. So we're going to look at that again. We're going to open that and then get as tight to the wall as we can. All you have to do is hold down your W or aerospace key, whichever one you prefer. Press E to close the door. You get pushed through the wall. You might have to jump once or twice, but you're going to get in. Once you get in, it'll be nearly identical to building a sky base, except for you won't be in the sky, you'll be in the ground. And you can just place down your lights however you feel like it. And you're going to have a very nice bunker base that will be completely unraidable with C4. Now you can use other methods such as the double wall method, which I will show right here, so that if somebody does manage to get in, all you have to do is space your walls, kind of like spaced armor on a tank, and just have that like that, and you'll essentially be unraidable. And if you want to, you can delete the door so nobody will find it. So what I'm going to do right now is go to the base of this other YouTuber that I'm friends with. Crispy Plays, I think is his name, or Crispy1539. I'll put a link to his channel in the description, but we're going to go and find his base. We're going to meet up at spawn. Okay, we're in his base now. So you figured out how to get into and make a base. We're just going to take a tour of this guy's base, Crispy, and he's going to give us a tour. Okay. So these are his money printer rooms. As you can see, it's in different coded in different colors. Makes sense, because then he would know which ones come which, and because they take time to process, if that makes any sense. And yeah, so let's move to the next part of the tour. So this is the, oh yeah, place printers beyond this text. So yeah, this makes sense because the node should end. Yes, the node ends right there. So you can spawn them in without having to go out into the wilderness over there. I have this explained in a video that I made called How to Use the Node Glitch to Your Advantage. You should go check that out. Okay. And then he's going to go put his printer. He just bought it. I probably shouldn't have done. Oh crap, that's police, that's police. Let's get him. Oh crap, he... Oh. I should probably toggle PvP. What? How did he not die from that? I'm gonna die, aren't I? Ooh, I got him. He had a minigun. Okay. He had a minigun. How do you even get that in the game? I've never seen that before. Okay, well, he is dead. I'm going to... he still has his printer up here. Okay. Didn't expect for that to happen. Okay. So, yeah. This is all pretty nice. I like the ways it's set up. Yeah. Okay. Stand in front of green. Okay. Oh, I get how he has this. It'll fall down into like a funnel, and you can see the different things, and you can use this little hole in here to access them. Oh, it got stuck, it got jammed. Oh god, that's not good. Okay, probably drop it. Yeah, okay, he dropped it there. I just noticed I talk really weird. I talk with some stupid like Austrian accent thing, but that's okay. It's not stupid, it's just weird because I'm not Austrian. But that's okay. Okay, so yeah, that was the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and watch my other videos. There's a guy about to steal the printer. Let's... Oh, he heard me. God. Okay, he's gonna try to take the printer again. Ooh, we got him. Okay, I'm gonna make a video on that. It being a PvP glitch. So yeah, remember to like, subscribe, comment. That was the video. That's about it. Bye.